Hi class, welcome to another week of Counseling 120. We are going to continue on with transfer this week. The primary focus this week will be looking at the University of California schools. We're also going to look about transfer admission guarantees, the California State Universities or CSUs, and then we're going to talk about the associate transfer degrees as well this week. And do a little bit of exploration into private universities and out-of-state schools. And this includes historically black colleges and universities, which are great options for students to transfer to. And there are over 30 historically black colleges and universities that actually do offer tag agreements with California community colleges like CSM. So stay tuned for all of that. You do have a personal statement, personal insight assignment that is due later this week. So just keep that in mind. That was assigned last week. But for several universities, including UCs and several private universities, and also for many scholarships, there is a personal statement requirement. Or a personal insight question or questions that you'll have to answer. So this is, again, really good practice to do that. And later in the week, I will also assign an assignment where you can navigate some of the resources that we talked about last week. So using things like assist.org and WebSmart and Eureka. So that will be something that will be due next week, but likely posted at the end of the week, okay? So have a terrific week, and we'll dive right back into transfer.